the Ukrainian forces published footage of a massive column of Russian armed forces, consisting of several tanks and infantry fighting vehicles, coming under artillery and FPV drone fire during an attempted breakthrough from the village of Andreyevka, west of Kurakov. It's evident that during the intense barrage, part of the advancing column was blocked on a narrow road due to the destruction of lead vehicles, leaving the rest unable to maneuver effectively and avoid incoming strikes. As a result, several tanks and infantry fighting vehicles were lost simultaneously, along with personnel. Ukrainian forces also employed cluster munitions and fiber optic guided drones. Without reliable protection for armored vehicles, such as systems to physically disrupt drones or obscure their optics, armor column assaults will continue to become less effective, leading to increasingly severe losses for the Russian army with minimal tactical gains.